Hey, good day, Lamidi here. Welcome to today's video. I am going to be doing a complete walkthrough of this CP affiliate network called YTZ. So with that said, let's get started. So I'm just going to log into my account and just show you around. As you can see, this is the dashboard. You can review your reports right here. The most important thing is to take you through the sort of campaigns that they have. So they have a lot of sweet stake offers that you can run. You can always filter by verticals. So let's say, for instance, sweepstakes. They will show you all the sweepstake offers that they've got. Quite a few, so you can check them out. And you can also filter by country. So for instance, let's say you're running traffic in the United States. You can check out some of the offers. Let's view this one. So this is a prize giveaway, $1,000 Walmart gift card. They accept 30 actions, and it converts on a simple opt-in, and it pays out $2.60, and it's from the United States. You can more or less run on desktop, pops, domains, display, interstitial search, email, social, mobile, SMS, push, native. This would require manual approval, so yeah, but they're very good to work with, so you can check them out. They also have what is called a smart link. So with this you can monetize your mainstream traffic in all geos worldwide, and the smart link automatically rotates and optimizes the best offers to deliver the highest overall revenue per 1,000 impressions, and payout varies by offer and country, and this accepts desktop and mobile. So that's another good way to monetize your traffic. Yeah, it's a pretty cool network to work with. As I always do, I would leave a link below, and yeah, just check them out. And I work with a very nice lady there. She'll be happy to help you. So with that said, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.